Hi, I'm Lalitha, and you've probably seen me on this page. I'm a Pillai Center teacher and also a Vedic astrologer. And I want to talk to you about Mars and its association with Venus right now. So Mars just entered Libra and Venus is in Scorpio. So these two planets are exchanging signs. So this is not ideal for relationships, etc., but it's wonderful to connect with the goddesses. Why is that? Because Mars is the son of Bhumi, the earth goddess, and also goddess Varahi represents the earth, right, and luxury, and also rather wealth, especially underground wealth. And so thus Mars can help you create a stronger connection with goddess Varahi. And Dr. Pillai has given this mantra, which is just Varahi, Va, Va, Varahi, Varahi. Varahi is the name of the goddess. And also goddess Angali, being so powerful, also can be invoked on those on Tuesdays. And especially in the Rahu Kala, which is unusual, right? The other thing you can do is just connect with all the goddesses on that day. Why not? So maybe you can manifest a beautiful home, because Mars is rules real estate, engineering, and all these things. And so this connection can bring more wealth, gems, etc. Venus also rules jewelry. And so gems and real estate, beautiful, especially. So make the connection very strong. Use this powerful energy to take action and be gentle in relationships. Don't. Nobody wants a boss in the relationship, so be gentle. Be more refined, basically, and then just connect with these goddesses. They are there to help you, and they love you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. And you can check the other videos made by Dr. Pillai about the goddesses, goddess Angali, goddess Varahi, and Varahi is the 2020 goddess. So she will help you manifest your 2020 goals. So stay tuned for more, and see you soon. Thanks for watching.